Welcome back to my IGTV. I haven't done one of these for so long, so I'm going to show you how I did this look inspired by Echo. Let's keep watching. This was really easy, by the way, so I'm going into my Bakery Box palette. I'm going into the shade Melted from Lorac, and I'm just blending that in really nicely. I used the Too Faced Born This Way concealer as a base and the Pear soap for my eyebrows, and yeah, just kind of giving it a little blend. Blend. This took maybe like 5 minutes just to like get it really nice and deep. I tend to blend like kind of lightly first and then go really in with the pigment, just build it up quite slowly, just so that it's really nice and seamless and it doesn't go all patchy, and it's easier to blend this way, basically, is what I'm trying to say. And I'm also just winging that out using the Morphe M506 brush, I think it is. Then I'm going in with the shade Grape Juice from one of the Lorac Cocktail Collection palettes, and I'm using the same brush and blending that over the top, again going lightly and then really deepening up the colour, just patting it in to my eyeshadow base. And then I am going in with the Makeup a Murderer Pastel Neon Pigment. You don't really see me do this because I forgot to film it, but I just do that to finish off the blend. Then I'm going in with my micellar water and this brush I got from Amazon, and it's super flat, so I'm basically carving out my cut crease. If you haven't seen my YouTube video where I really try to go in depth into how I do my cut creases, basically what I do is I use makeup remover. It can be a balm makeup remover like a butter, or it can be micellar water. I prefer micellar water, and I just clean it up first and then I go in with my base just so that I get it nice and crisp. Going in with the P. Louise base in the shade 0.5 and the Revolution concealer in the shade C1, because yes, I am that pale, and I'm going in and I'm just mixing them together because I find the P. Louise base on its own isn't as thick as I want it to be, and I mix basically any concealer that I have on hand, but I just had the Revolution one on hand, and I'm just using another small flat brush from Amazon and cutting out my crease, patting it over with a beauty blender, and then going back into this pastel neon pigment from Makeup a Murderer, and I'm just patting that on my lid using this Colourpop brush. Then I am going in with the neon purple one from Makeup a Murderer again. No, these are not poison, they're literally neon pigments, but the packaging is just really cool, so I'm not gonna die, thank you TikTok. Using the grape juice colour, I'm just going on the outer third, and you didn't see me do this, but I mixed the P. Louise white base and the neon purple pigment together to create this liner. Then I am putting some flowers on with lash glue. Don't use lash glue. These took forever to get off. No, this is a leaf, it is not coriander. You could also press some yourself. I got these from Amazon, but like, wouldn't it be really fun just to like get a bouquet and press the flowers yourself? And then these are gems from AliExpress. I think I got them, they're really cheap. Anyway, I'm going in with my concealer, then using the Morphe M213 brush, I'm going in with the shade Melted, then using the M506 brush, going in with the shade Grape Juice, and then finishing it off with the pastel purple pigment from Makeup a Murderer. Mixing Pixie and Fantasy pigments from Peach's Makeup. I absolutely adore these. Putting that on the inner corner, my brow bone, and also on my cheekbone. This purple Colourpop liner, which I don't know the name because it rubbed off, but it's really good. I really love the Colourpop liners for your waterline. And yeah, so this is the finished result. I hope you enjoyed it, and please let me know what other IGTVs you want me to do. I'm wanting to do these pretty much for every single look I do, so yeah. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.